Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the other day I went to Best Buy and grabbed the GoPro 9 for more content. So since today is 51 degrees, it's not that warm, but it's getting there. I wanted to go ahead and test it out on my bike. So I'm taking you guys on the ride with me. We can go ahead and grab some pizza or something. So I'm wearing this face mask because it's gonna get chilly on the highway and I just wanna be prepared. So helmets on and let's go for the ride. So we made it to N Pizza. There's our pizza. So we just finished riding. We went all the way to DC and had some pizza and came back. The GoPro did die on me halfway. I did not charge it completely, but the quality and everything else was good. So I am happy with that. The only thing that I am really mad about is that I almost dropped my bike for the first time and I did not get it on camera. My whole entire body is killing me right now because I was trying to hold up the bike so hard. Thank God I did not drop it though. And it was also my first time on the highway. I always rode local, but today I went kind of far and just took it around the city, see how I did, and it was pretty good. I had fun. It was really cold, but next time I'll just wear a little bit more gear and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to take you guys on the next ride. See you soon.